Yes.
First, you should check. You should know how to use capital letters and small letters.
Okay, so that is punctuation. You have the right punctuation. Any other? Here at the center, we don't have anyone. Yes.
About the ascending and the descending letters.
So you should know about ascending and descending. Anyone to tell us ascending letters? Ascending letters, yes. Yeah? Letter T.
D.
H.
F.
L. Okay, that's enough. Descending letters, which ones do you have? Descending letters, yes?
P. G.
Okay, that's enough. Any other way of making sure your handwriting is good? Should be? The spacing, good. Spacing should be equally distributed. Yes? Should be? Leading. Huh? Or leaning towards one direction. So that you are not leaning to the left, then right, then center. Yes?
The handwriting should not be too large or too small.
Yeah, you should be moderate in how you write your letters. Yes?
You should start your sentence with a capital letter.
Sentences must start with capital letter. That's part of handwriting. Yes? Yeah? You put? Illustration.
Straight line.
Oh, straight line. You don't lean downwards or upwards, okay? Yes. They should be upright so that they are not leaning. Someone cannot fail to predict.
You should make sure that you have not mixed capital letter and small letters.
So what does that mean? You should maintain lower or upper wording alone, depending on the word class, isn't it?
Yes.
Any other? Yes. Do not? Do not crowd your words. You know, you may crowd so much while you leave the spaces on the margins.
You should use punctuation marks where necessary.
Yeah, use punctuation marks where necessary. We'll learn punctuation marks another time. Any other? Yes?
They should be clearly seen.
They should be?
Clearly seen.
How will we know that they are clear? That's what I'm asking because, yeah? The shaping, okay? So you must consider shaping. What haven't we shared?
You should not make your handwriting too big or too small.
So moderate handwriting, yes? You use? Figurative, that one is in when you are writing a composition. But we are generally looking at handwriting. Okay, so that's a good... The next thing is that you have to make the handwriting good in size. Number 2, make the handwriting good in size. I think you've heard your friends talking about moderate. They should not be too big or too small, isn't it? Yeah. Don't strain the eyes of the reader. And don't make it too big because it will look ugly. So just make them moderate size. A good size. Number 3. Yeah, straight line. Write on a straight line. I hope all of us can see lines in our books. Yes?
Yes.
Yeah. So that means you should follow the line in between. The line is below, another one on top. So you write on the line straight. Do not slant them or somehow. So make your work sit on the straight line, okay? Yeah. Number 4, avoid crowding. Avoid crowding letters. I hope all of us know what a crowd is. So, all letters Use capital and small letters correctly. Use capital and small letters correctly. I.e., give them the right height. Give them the right height. Okay, number 6. Number 6, use dots. Use dots for I and J. Use dots for I and J. And cross T completely. And cross T completely. If you don't cross the T, what will the reader see? Letter L, isn't it? And if you don't place the dot on J or I, especially I, when you are writing inside other words, it will look like it is a capital letter. And I saw one of you had that challenge. The next one, close letters. Close. Close letters A, D, G, and O completely. Close letters A, D, G, and O completely. So you must close them. And I think I saw one of you had that problem. So next time you are writing your D, your O, your G, close it. If you don't close O, what does it look like? Looks like C, isn't it? If you don't close even the A on top, how will it look like? U. If you don't close the G, Y. What about if you don't close O? It will look like U or something else. Now the last item is round the tops of M and N properly. Round the tops of M, round the tops of N and M, the tops of M and N properly, so that they do not look like capital M and N. Okay, so I think that's all about handwriting, and we've discussed a lot. I think, in fact, I've got a lot from you. Now, the next activity to do